Hi, hello, namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. As I told you, I'm not in the studio today. I am in Kasaragod, guys. I'm in Kasaragod. I'm in Kerala. As you all know, 2026 assembly elections are approaching towards Kerala, and I really wanted to come to Kerala and I want to know from the voters that which side they are leaning this time. But literally, I stopped seeing this beauty, guys. Look at the nature. It's such a beautiful view to see. And in this heat, in this summer, actually the campaigning is going on. The candidates are doing it all. Zoro Shoro say they are doing all the campaign with full heart, and the voters are patiently watching them, listening to their favorite candidates, and just they are telling their opinions. It was such a nice experience coming to Kasaragod. I can see that there are batches of people who really want some changes, who want that to LDF to continue again. There are some other group of people who doesn't want this LDF UDF battle again. They want to give a chance to NDA also. This is what happening in Kasaragod right now. Let me tell you, there are 5 constituencies in Kasaragod. One is Manjeshwaram, then Kasaragod itself, Uduma, and then Kannagad and Trikaripur. These 5 constituencies, and let me tell you, these all are having a very strong base where we can see twice in certain constituencies LDF have won, and if they are gonna won again this time, it would gonna be a hat-trick. So let me take the names of the people who have been participating, the candidates of Kasaragod Assembly election. So Manjeshwaram, CPIM has KR Jayanand. IUML has AKM Ashraf, who is a very famous politician, as well as he is the current MLA of Manjeshwaram. And for BJP, it's K. Surendran. And K. Surendran has a lot of popularity in among people, actually knows him by his name only. Then we comes to Kasaragod. IND has Shahnawaz, IUML has Maheen Haji, BJP has ML Ashwin. And Uduma, where I'm standing right now, I also introduced you one of its candidate from INC, that is K. Neelakantan. CPIM has CH Kunambu and BJP has Manu Lal. Then come to Kannagad, which is CPI has Govindan, KEC has Shaji, and BJP has M. Balraj. Last but not the least, Trikaripur has CPIM VPP Mustafa, NIC has Sandeep Warrior. Mind you, Sandeep Warrior was before in BJP, and now last to last year he has joined the INC, and in this year he is fighting for the Trikaripur Assembly constituency. And for TTP, the NDA alliance, it has Ravi. So I can see there's a tough competition happening in Kasaragod, and people actually are very eager to vote because they have so many things in their mind. And this time, mind you, they're not thinking something very emotional or personal. They're actually going for their benefit. They're thinking practically, and while speaking to the voters, I can understand, I can feel the depth of, as a voter, how they are feeling and whom they want to win. So this is me, Varsha Venugopal, for KTV India with camera person Kirtan Gowda. And I'll be bringing you more updates regarding Kerala Assembly 2026 right now in Kasaragod. Maybe the next you can see in other place. Thank you for watching KTV India.